Hello everyone, welcome back for another workout. We're gonna have today HIIT workout. I have here one kettlebell, 32 kg. If you cannot have any heavy kettlebell at home, you can do same workout with any dumbbell, almost same thing. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more deep breath. Exhale. First, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna start with something very nice and simple. We're gonna do 20 of this, jump, nice and smooth. Then we're gonna move forward. Here we go. 20 or 20 seconds, up to you. And 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. The next one, we're gonna do kettlebell swings. Place your kettlebell in front of you, step backwards a little bit. From here, drive your hip backwards. Grab your kettlebell, drive it closer towards the ground. This is the perfect length. And then we're gonna start hinging. 12, take a deep breath. And 2, 3, 4, keep your lower back straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Straight from here, we're gonna do 10 rows. Grab, reverse, straight work from your upper body. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight after that, we're gonna do chest press with bridge. Grab your kettlebell, push it up, bend your legs, push your hip up. From here, we're gonna do 10 reps. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep hold straight, arms flat back, legs 90 degrees. And we're gonna work on the endurance. 10, 1, go ahead. 2, lower your legs straight. 3, go ahead. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Awesome. This was one round. At least we need to do 4 more. 5 rounds, not bad. Take a deep breath, we're gonna continue. Exhale. If you need some more rest in between, take your time and rest. Exhale. Here we go. Let's work. And 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Let's moving forward. Grab and hinging. 2, 3, 4 from your hips. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Okay. 10 rows. Hip drive backwards. Here we go. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath. Moving forward. Bridge. Grab your kettlebell, push up. 10. Chest. And here we go. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight arms, legs 90 degrees, drop them down. And 10, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Round 2 well done. 3 more to go. stand up, breathe. Better if you can rest around 1 minute and then move forward. Don't rest too much, but if you are not so strong, then of course rest, or you can cut from reps. You can do 6 or 8 reps on each exercise. Take a deep breath. Here we go. Round 3. Keep moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay. Step backwards, grab, and let's start working. 2, 3, 4. Push from your hips. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Take a deep breath. Exhale, let's roll. 10, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Keep working. Up. Push your butt up. Let's work. 10, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Hold. Straight legs. Lock your core, low back. Feel tight. Here we go. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Awesome, my friends. 3 rounds, well done. 2 more to go. I think this workout will be around 25 minutes, which is time efficient, time effective. Take a deep breath. Exhale. 1 more deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. Round 4. Let's jump. 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Go ahead. 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's start hinging. And up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Inhale. Exhale. Let's roll. 12. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. Bridge, press. Up. 10 reps. Here we go. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold. Straight legs, flat back. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Awesome. 1 more round to go. If you find quite difficult for you to do with straight legs, I mean the last one, core, you can bend the legs, make sure you have flat back, and do with bandy legs. So that's acceptable for me. And as long as you can continue following this workout, I'm okay with. Just make sure you start and finish, start and finish. This way you will get consistent and you'll have better improvement. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Round 5. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Go on. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, take a deep breath. Here we go. Hinging. 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Let's roll. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing, my friends. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go. Bridge, press. Nice and smooth. Don't forget, push your glutes up. Up. Here we go. 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight legs, flat back. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Done. Let's do quick stretch. Finishing strong. Down dog. Push your shoulders backwards and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Okay, my friends. Nice, quick, efficient workout. Wish you all the best. Stay strong. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Peace out.